I'm Angela Crow. I'm a parent of a sixth grader here at Metropolitan Learning Center. 2 years ago, someone offered an elective class about water reclamation and native plantings and the ecological benefits of doing that for our city. And that's when I learned about that the school was trying to get the funding to build a bioswale and a green roof.
Well, a bioswale is it's set in usually a place that's impermeable, like a parking lot, and the water will run down into it. It's kind of like a ditch.
It will actually take that bad water and dirty water and use it for the plants to drink so that they can grow up big and strong.
Me and a friend of mine, a classmate, went to the city and we got all the permits for it. It took a long time and it was very boring. We had to sign some stuff, we had to agree on some stuff, we had to, there were several copies made of the layout.
So first we had to get the permit to be able to cut the parking lot, and some people came out here for us.
We had family work parties that came in last weekend and filled the trench with new compost blend soil. So that was all ready, and today we brought out the high school age kids to do the bigger work. And they built the gravel check dams that you can see going across the swale to slow water down as it runs through there. And they also planted our big native trees.
Over here, the little kids right now are going to be planting, and it looks like they're pretty excited.
I think this is a very useful thing. For one, it's useful for the schools because the kids can come out and after it's built and all, they can kind of have like an outdoor school type of classroom out here outside as opposed to stuck in the room all day. And also it saves water and it's very sustainable.
I think other schools should have bioswales too, so that our earth can be a lot healthier.
It just provides shade, it provides beauty, it's just adding a lot of value to the space.
Together we kind of made it happen.
And I thought that was really awesome. And so, yeah.